Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Kim's Garage, and today we're here with another video. Today's not a mod video, today's not a cars and coffee video, but today we are going to a car meet. And the car meet is the Fayetteville, I think it's Streetcar Saturday, and we're gonna go check that out. I've been to this meet before, and it's pretty good. A lot of cars turn up. I didn't record it last time because I didn't know how I was gonna end up going, but that's what we're going to today. And in that, we're going to have some people meet up with us, and we're going to have some friends ride with me up there in their cars. So we're just going to get some clips of what they drive, you know, when they pull up, see how it's going, see how many guys are going to ride with us, because I'm not sure. I invited some guys from my group, and also invited some personal friends to come with that too. And here's a look at the car. She's all clean. Gave her a wash this morning. I'll walk around. Boom. So there's that, and including that, this meet. So this is a legit meet over here, Fayetteville, North Carolina. Like I said, that's where it's at. Streetcar Saturday. This is a legit meet, and they say they have permission at the lot, which I know they do, because we're gonna have food trucks, and get this, there's gonna be a dyno there. So if people are gonna do some runs on a dyno, I believe that's what I saw in the description on there. I'll probably put that you know, little snippet of it, of the little event tab. But like, if you guys stay in this Fayetteville area and you guys want to check out that meet, I will mainly be going to Fayetteville meets now. Well, not mainly going to, I'm just going to go to those more, because I normally go to meets in Raleigh, and I'm just changing it up a little bit. The scene in Fayetteville is a lot different than it is in Raleigh. Not saying like it's only Stanton, Raleigh, and then there's muscle cars in Fayetteville. It's still a mixture of cars. It's just a different crowd of people, different take on cars. With that being said, it is time to go ahead and head over to the meetup spot. Well, actually, first I need to get gas. No surprise there. So I'm gonna go get gas first and meet up with a friend or two at the car wash, so they can wash their car. Like I said, mine's already clean. Look at that glass. Oh, the glass in the top gets me every day. But we're gonna go ahead and go over there, get the car washed, well, to get their cars washed, and I'm gonna record. And like I said, first let's get gas. So let's get that cold start going, guys. Alright, first let me take off this bag. I got all my equipment in there. Let's go ahead and take that. Always make sure. You always have to make sure it's in neutral. But here's that cold start. And just to think, I want to get long tubes. Not saying it's super loud. I mean, it is a cold start, but I still do want long tubes and a cam. But you know, that's in the future, and that's for phase 2. We're still in phase 1 of the car, so still like 2 more things I need to get for phase 2. Gotta grab my stand. It's going to get in there. Ooh, side thing, I just remembered. The only thing I don't like about the Mustang is, I mean, there's not many things I don't like. I mean, the things I don't like totally sorry, I got that mixed up. The things that I like totally outnumber the things I don't like. But the one thing I don't is most cars do have the just had to put my camera gear in there. Most cars do have a button, you know, like somewhere around here, down there, for your trunk release. But this, you just have to use the key fob, and sometimes, like, just a second. Ooh, let me turn this air on. But like a second ago, I had to go back inside the car just to do that key fob. But that's just a little thing. I'm pretty sure other owners agree with me with that. But look at that gas. Ooh. Hold on. Let's get just a little something. Don't worry, guys. I know it just started it up, but that wasn't even at 2,000 RPM. So we're still good. Now let's go get some gas. All right, I got the gas. Wow, I almost said long tubes. I got long tubes on my line right now. I got the gas. Time to head over to the car wash. If I can find my keys. Here it is. Keys. Let's get that start up. All right, let's get going. Alright guys, well, we're at the car wash. My friend's already over there. I want to see that or not. He's already over there washing his cars. We're going to go ahead over there. Everybody's supposed to meet up around 5 o'clock. The time now is 4:30, so let's get to it. Alright, had to park the car over here. Man, it's looking nice. Alright, we are now leaving the car wash. Got my friend behind me. But he needs to get gas, so we're about to head back to where he came from. And then we're gonna head back to our meetup spot to meet the other guys. So, till then, see you in a bit. Alright, so this is just the wait part. He's getting gas right now over there. And I'm just gonna sit here and wait. And then we're gonna go back to the meetup spot to meet up with one other guy. Hey, these are nice right here. Is this old enough for you?
No.
No.
That's nice though. That's clean.
Good paint. Better paint than mine.
I've always liked this the blue right there, like that blue color. Like kind of like rubber blue.
This color right here, I love this color, guys.
Dude,
I feel like it's a great color.
And that hood too.
This is
I know you can't see for shit.
And it has the back too.
Rev it!
Rev. Dude, that camp is good, dude.
Look at this.
Look at this carbon fiber. Look at this.
He has 4 racing sheets.
Look at this clean.
Okay, those wheels are nice.
You painted them too, I think. They're stuck wood. And you got a tire count on it.
That's the best part.
Yeah, so once they start doing the dynos, that's where we're gonna go.
I don't know why I didn't bring my camera like a turbo.
I don't know why I didn't bring my camera. That's a clean 5.0.
Yeah, see, that makes me want to tint my front. I don't know, should I Ooh, the ZL1 is clean.
Yeah. It's the driver that makes
Because usually it's the second difference that the colors are exactly the same.
This is clean right here. Ooh, BMW right here. Clean. Ooh, this is nice. Alright, here's the best cars here.
This is the Diamond Gold. Where is
Well, that's his car right there. Oh. Oh. Stingers. Oh, that's my favorite Kia right there. Especially with that arrow on there. Oh, this is nice. Oh, okay, so this guy just started up as... Yeah, I see the food truck.
They're all pulling in this way. There's Camaro. Beautiful. Go fast.
Oh. Alright, hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed those flybys and dynos, like the dyno tuning, and also the little walk around. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, because it might seem really choppy because I was using two different cameras, and it's my first time using two different cameras. But I'll see how it goes when I edit. And like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The time now looks like it is about 12 o'clock, pretty much 12 o'clock. Just now getting in. I got my Taco Bell right here. And hope you guys check out my other videos, like and subscribe. And let me know what kind of videos you guys want. I want to change it up later on. Well, not really later on. Next week, maybe just try like a personal vlog. So like a day kind of thing. Something non-car related, because I'm also into other things other than cars, and I kind of want to share that on the channel. Like, I'm super into music, different types of music, anime. Obviously, I'm repping, I don't know, I got my seatbelt on. But I'm repping Naruto right here. If you guys pay attention to videos, I do have on different anime shirts. But like I said, it's 12 o'clock. Just got in. I'm going to go probably edit this video. I want to get the videos out because the past videos have been going like 2 weeks behind or a week behind. The week that I uploaded, I believe it was last week, that I uploaded 2 videos that week, was to just go ahead and catch up on the videos, because I had these videos already on my computer. It was just never uploaded them. I just had them on there. So I went on ahead and posted those 2 videos from last week, so check those out too. And I want to go ahead and just have it like maybe a video once a week if I'm able to get out. I am still full-time college and I work part-time in the afternoons, so I'll try to pump out as much content as possible. So, that's where I'm going to end it. I hope you'll be able to see me with this blue light on. I know it's kind of, I'll be able to see whenever I edit it, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and see you in the next video. Peace out, take it easy.